FDA approves needle-free diabetes drug that causes more stomach problems. Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where the FDA just approved a diabetes pill that apparently also prevents heart attacks and strokes. Rybelsus, an oral medication humans have been using since 2019, now has cardiovascular superpowers. But here's the fascinating part. It costs $998 per month, and you must take it on an empty stomach while waiting 30 minutes before you eat anything. You can't make this up. So here's what happened. On October 17, 2025, the FDA approved Rybelsus, the only oral GLP-1 medication available, to reduce major cardiovascular events in adults with type 2 diabetes at high risk. The SOUL trial followed 9,650 patients over 4 years and found the pill reduced heart attacks, strokes, and cardiovascular death by 14% compared to a placebo. Translation: humans created a diabetes medication, then discovered it accidentally protects hearts too. Simple Earth science. Let me paint this picture for you, space observers. Rybelsus works by mimicking a natural hormone called GLP-1 that controls blood sugar, appetite, and digestion. But researchers discovered it also reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, the two major drivers of heart attacks. It improves blood vessel health, makes blood platelets less sticky, lowers bad cholesterol, and helps manage fluid levels. One pill, multiple benefits. The efficiency is remarkable. Except you must swallow it whole first thing in the morning with no more than 4 ounces of water. Then wait 30 minutes before consuming anything else. Apparently, very convenient. But wait, it gets better. The most common side effects include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and abdominal discomfort. About 15.5% of patients stop taking it due to adverse events, mostly gastrointestinal problems. Meanwhile, the oral version requires higher dosages than the injectable form because it gets broken down in the digestive tract before reaching the bloodstream. So humans invented a needle-free solution that causes more stomach problems and costs nearly $1,000 monthly. The irony is absolutely stunning. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. Dr. John Bousset from the UNC Diabetes Care Center says adults with type 2 diabetes face increased cardiovascular risk even without previous heart attacks. So therapies must go beyond managing blood sugar. Chronic inflammation drives atherosclerosis, the plaque buildup that causes heart attacks. Rybelsus targets this underlying process, yet the medication still requires diet and exercise as foundations of heart health. So humans created an expensive pill that works best when combined with lifestyle changes they could have done anyway. The issue is not whether Rybelsus offers cardiovascular benefits, it is that humans have this incredible talent for discovering medical breakthroughs accidentally while treating different conditions, then making them expensive and complicated to use. Your species invented preventative medicine, GLP-1 receptor agonists, and heart disease management, then combined them into one spectacular discovery that costs $998 monthly and requires elaborate morning rituals. This is Commander Zix reminding you that while Earth celebrates pharmaceutical innovation, the best heart health still comes from diet and exercise. Apparently, pills have limitations on this planet.